Hi, good morning. How's everybody doing? Oh, good afternoon, I mean to say. So today I just want to show you quickly how to use Jamboard. Some of you got this today during class, but for those of you that didn't, here's a quick lesson or tutorial on using Jamboard. All right, so we are going to go ahead and share our screen, which I'm going to do right here. Okay, so what you have is this assignment here for parts of speech, finding nouns. All right, you're going to open that up. There is this assignment here, lesson 2, Google Docs assignment, which is similar to the one that you saw yesterday for the do now. So, you know, just do the same way that you did it the other day, right? You're going to highlight words that are nouns. You'll use this button up here to either change the color of the noun, or if you want, you could use a highlighter color, or you could underline it, or you can make it italics, or you could make it bold, all right? So you could do any and all of those things just so that I know which word it is that you think is the noun. And yes, the word computers is the noun. So I gave you that one. Look at that. You got free stuff just for showing up. Okay, so what is the Jamboard? The Jamboard is this new whiteboard looking thing, all right? And it says find the nouns. All right, so this first page is just the title page. You don't have to find any nouns here. All right, today let's try something different. We're going to look at these pictures and find at least 5 nouns. Person, place, or thing. Remember, things that can be touched are nouns. All right, so obviously if we were using this page, right, I could look at any one of these things and be able to say what they are. Now, it's not enough to just circle things, all right? So you have to actually write down what you see is the noun, okay? So you have a pen, and with that pen, you can click on it, and it gives you further choices, okay? It gives you a marker, gives you a highlighter, and it gives you a paintbrush, which actually is very faint and seems to be more like a highlighter. You have blue, green, red, yellow, white, and black, all right? These are the colors. You have eraser. You have a selection tool, so you can click on any one thing, right? You see how I do that, okay? And then you have these things here, these sticky notes, all right? And I'll show you how to do those on the next pages. You also have this add an image, which you won't need for this assignment, but if you want to use a Jamboard for any other thing, that's how you get pictures onto there. And then this last thing is what we call a laser. So I could be like, hey, look, a noun. All right, so that way I can interact with the screen without actually leaving a mark. All right, it can be very helpful. So I'm going to go up here to where it says 1 through 6, okay? And I can, you see, I have all of these pages here that I can click on. So I'm going to click on this one here. This was the one that we did together. And by the way, you don't have to pull that down. You could just use these little arrows to go back and forth, okay? So what I wanted to show you is that you have a number of different ways that you can interact with this in order to give me some of the nouns that you see in this picture. So I'm asking for 5 nouns, okay? 5 nouns in each picture. It's pretty clear you can see the moon, all right? And so I write down moon, okay? I could write down Ferris wheel, all right? Because there is a Ferris wheel. Or I could even just say rides, all right? Which is a plural noun. And there are definitely rides, okay? So obviously you can do the undo button if you make a mistake, right? Just like this, it's easy enough to do. Or you could also use the eraser, okay? And you can erase things like that, all right? Again, all of this is so much easier if you have a touchscreen. If you don't have a touchscreen, you might wanna use the sticky notes instead, all right? Which are really easy. I just press the button for sticky note, it comes up, and then I just type my noun, all right? Ferris wheel, okay? And I could change the color if I want, or I could even have it blank, plain white, okay? All right, and after I put that one up, all right, you see I can make it bigger. I can turn it, all right? I can edit it. I can get back in and I can edit it, okay? All right, guys, when you're done with this, just like you normally would, at the top of that page where it says share here, you'll see something here that says to turn it in, all right? So that's something that you can also do. Well, that's kind of cool. When I use a white background for my sticky note, it's almost like it's not even there. So that's kind of cool too. It's like as if you want to just type things there. Well, you can. That's about it, guys. Those of you that are showing up to class, thank you very much. Appreciate it. It's definitely very good to see you guys there. I know Ms. Adams spends a lot of time crying because she misses you guys so very much. No, I'm just kidding. But we do miss you guys, and so it does make us very happy when you guys do show up, even if we're not crying. Okay, there's a lot of things to cry about in life. I'm not going to make this one. All right, guys, have a super wonderful, fabulous day. I hope you found yourself some good cartoons to watch.